What if the most ancient home shape on Earth turned out to be one of the smartest, most affordable ways to build in 2026? Not a square, not a rectangle, a circle, an O. And before you say it looks weird or it cannot be done on a budget, stay with me. A 5, because by the end of this video, you will understand exactly why this shape has been making a quiet comeback, what it actually costs to build one today, and the honest truths that most videos are leaving out. If you are new here, welcome to Affordable Homes and Plans, the channel where we break down real designs and real costs without the fluff. A 5, hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss a build breakdown. Drop a comment below telling me your location, because O-shape home costs vary significantly depending on where you are building. What is an O-shape home? Let us get this straight from the beginning. When we say O-shape home design, we are talking about residential structures built on a circular or oval footprint. This is not a new concept. Circular homes are arguably the oldest human shelter design in existence, dating back thousands of years across Africa, Asia, and Europe. 5. From the Iron Age roundhouses of Britain to the yurts of Central Asia to the rendezvous of Southern Africa. What is new in 2026 is the engineering precision, the prefabricated building systems, 5, and a fresh conversation around affordability and energy performance that is making architects and budget-conscious builders take a second look. The shape itself is simple to define but surprisingly complex to execute, and that tension is exactly what this video is about. The Giamatti argument. Why? The circle is mathematically smarter. This is where things get interesting. 5. And I want you to pay attention here, because this is the foundation of the entire affordability argument for O-shape homes. In geometry, a circle encloses the maximum area for any given perimeter. What that means in plain English is this. For the same amount of exterior wall, a 5, a circular building gives you more interior floor space than any other shape. Round structures require 15 to 20% less wall, roof, 5, and floor materials than rectangular buildings of the same square footage. That is not a small number. On a 200 square foot home, that material savings can translate to thousands of dollars off your build cost. In geometric terms, 5, the circle has the shortest boundary relative to its area, requiring less material for overall home construction, which gives round homes a lower embodied energy rating than other homes. So at a pure math level, 5, the O-shape is a more efficient use of materials than a box. The challenge, as we will get into shortly, is that efficiency on paper does not always translate directly to savings on the job site. The energy efficiency case 1 of the strongest arguments for building an O-shape home in 2026 is long-term operating cost, 5. And this matters enormously in a market where utility bills keep rising. The curved shape means less surface area is exposed to the elements, 5, which limits heat loss in winter and keeps the home cooler in summer. Round homes maintain interior temperatures better than traditional designs due to their shape and air circulation. With high R-value insulation, 5-ord owners report energy cost savings of up to 30 to 80% compared to conventional homes. That is a significant range, so let us be honest about it. 5, the lower end of that range, around 30%, is more realistic for a standard wood-framed circular build. 5, the upper end of 80% applies to high-performance builds using materials like structural insulated panels or insulated concrete forms combined. 5, with passive solar design. Dome and circle-shaped homes have a natural ability to circulate air efficiently, keeping the home cool in summer and warm in winter without excessive use of HVAC systems. 5, when you pair that natural air circulation with a properly oriented build, you reduce your mechanical heating and cooling load, which means a smaller HVAC system, lower installation costs, and lower monthly bills for the life of the home. In structural strength, the hurricane and earthquake factor here is something that often surprises people. O-shape homes are not just energy efficient. Round homes are naturally strong. The aerodynamic shape allows wind to flow around rather than push against the home. This is not marketing language. It is aerodynamic physics. The walls of a roundhouse have dozens of interconnected points, providing structural flexibility and strength. Because these homes are more aerodynamic, they are much more resistant to hurricanes and strongest winds. To put this in real-world terms, Deltec Homes, 5, which has been building round homes since 1968, reports that their homes built over the last 30 years have achieved a 99.9% survival rate. I-5 enduring direct hits from some of the most powerful hurricanes on record, including Andrew, Katrina, Wilma, Michael, Dorian, and Ian. If you are building in a hurricane-prone or high-wind region, this structural advantage is not a bonus feature. It is a serious financial and safety consideration that can affect your insurance premiums and your peace of mind for decades. Real build costs in 2026. The honest breakdown now. Let us talk about money, because this is where most videos either skip the details or paint an unrealistically rosy picture. I want to give you the honest version, D5. The starting point you need to understand is this. Upfront construction costs for round homes are often 10 to 30% higher than a comparable 5 rectangular home due to customized framing, curved glazing, and the need for specialized contractors. That is a real premium. Do not let anyone tell you otherwise. The reasons for this are structural. Framing a curved structure requires curved track, which costs more per linear foot than straight track. Each floor joist is a different length and at a different angle from the wall. 5. Some standard construction systems are out of the question entirely, and others like curved insulated concrete forms simply get more expensive. So what does this actually look like in numbers? Using 2026 general construction benchmarks, the average cost of building a home ranges between $150 and $300 per square foot, with the median around $166 in the US for a standard build. For an O-shape home, I plan for a baseline of around $180 to $250 per square foot for a modest Flight 5, well-designed circular home built with standard materials by an experienced builder. On a 1,000 square foot O-shape home, that puts your baseline build cost somewhere between $180,000 and $250,000 before land permits and site work. Now, the material savings from the circular geometry, that 15 to 20% reduction in wall and roof materials, can claw back some of that premium. But the specialized labor cost typically offsets it on a first build. Where you start winning back money is over time, through reduced energy bills and lower maintenance costs. There is one path that changes this math significantly, and it is worth knowing about. Companies like Deltec Homes offer pre-designed round home packages where customers can save up to 25% on their shell package and up to 4% for 5 months of construction time compared to a fully custom round home. A panelized or kit-based approach to the O-shape removes the specialized framing labor problem almost entirely, because the components arrive pre-engineered and are assembled on site like a system. For budget builders, this route deserves serious research. The floor plan reality. Where O-shape homes shine, and where they struggle. Let us talk honestly about the floor plan, because this is where some buyers fall in love and others walk away. O-shape homes eliminate corridors almost entirely. The absence of hallways in a circular footprint means each room radiates from a central gathering point, creating both privacy and connection without rigid separation. For open-concept living, this is genuinely beautiful. The kitchen, dining, I-5 and living areas flow around a central core in a way that feels organic and spacious, even in a smaller footprint. The challenge comes with private spaces. Bedrooms, bathrooms, and utility rooms in a purely circular plan can end up as wedge-shaped rooms. 5, and those are harder to furnish and less intuitive to use than rectangular rooms. Right? 5. The most successful O-shape home designs in 2026 address this in one of two ways. Either the designer uses a series of flat chord walls inside the circular shell to create rectangular-ish room interiors while maintaining the round, I-5 exterior, or the home is designed as a circular great room at the center with rectangular pod additions for sleeping and utility spaces. Both approaches give you the structural and energy benefits of the O-shape while solving the furniture problem. The furniture problem. Real talky, I'm not going to gloss over this, because if you build an O-shaped home and do not plan for it, it will drive you crazy. Most furniture available on the market is designed for straight walls. At 5. Finding the right furniture for curved rooms can be quite challenging. 5. And placing standard items against a curved wall is nearly impossible without wasting space. You can pay for custom built-in furniture to meet the curves, but that gets expensive. 5. Dyeing built-in furniture to match curves requires significant skill and difficult curved cutting. The practical solutions in 2026 are better than they used to be. Modular furniture systems with flexible configurations work well in circular spaces. 5. Curved sofas and sectionals, which have become far more mainstream, align naturally with curved walls. Many major US furniture brands now offer flexible lines, and local cabinet makers can create seamless storage solutions. Round or oval rugs soften traffic zones and reinforce the geometry without fighting it. The key message here is budget for this. 5. If you are building an O-shaped home and you do not account for custom or specialty furniture in your overall budget, you will be frustrated. Plan for it from day one. Permitting and zoning. The often overlooked hurdle this section of the video could save you months of headaches. One of the most underestimated challenges of building an O-shaped home is getting it through the permit and zoning process. Most local building codes are written around rectangular construction. Inspectors and plan reviewers are trained on box structures. A 5 and a circular footprint can trigger additional review cycles, requests for structural engineering sign-offs, 5 and scrutiny that a standard ranch home would never face. Steep or constrained urban lots may present serious challenges. 5. Potentially inflating costs by 15 to 30% due to specialized labor requirements and non-standard materials. Before you fall in love with an O-shaped design, your very first call should be to your local building department. Ask them specifically about non-standard footprint homes, what their review process looks like, 5, and whether they have approved similar structures before. In many suburban and rural areas, this is a non-issue. In tightly zoned urban neighborhoods, it can become a serious obstacle. Who should actually build an O-shaped home in 2026? Let me be direct with you here, because this channel is about honest information, not hype. 5. An O-shaped home is a genuinely compelling choice in the following situations. You are building on an open rural or semi-rural lot with panoramic views, because a circular design maximizes those views from every room. You are in a hurricane or high-wind region and want a structurally resilient home that can potentially lower your insurance cost over time. You are prioritizing long-term energy savings over minimizing upfront construction cost. You are working with a prefabricated round home system that removes the custom labor premium from the equation. You love open concept living and want the interior flow to feel organic and continuous. A 5, an O-shaped home is likely the wrong choice if your primary goal is building at the lowest possible cost per square foot right now. A simple rectangular or barn dominium style home will still beat a custom-built circular home on first cost in 2026. AG5, the O-shaped home wins on material efficiency, energy performance, structural resilience, and long-term operating cost. If those matter to your situation, the premium on day one is worth taking seriously. Designed adults that make O-shaped homes work in 2026. Here are the specific design choices that separate a successful O-shaped build from a frustrating one. First, orient the main glazing south in the northern hemisphere for passive solar gain. The circular form allows you to position large windows precisely where they will capture the most heat in winter and the most natural light year-round. Second, use a central mechanical core, grouping your plumbing, HVAC. 5, an electrical runs at the structural center of the circle is one of the most effective cost-saving moves in a circular floor plan, because it minimizes long pipe and duct runs and keeps your mechanical costs manageable. Third, design a flat-chord interior wall system for your bedrooms and bathrooms, rather than following the curve of the exterior shell all the way through. This creates practical rectangular rooms inside a circular shell, and solves the furniture problem without compromising the exterior geometry. Fourth, use the roof as a performance asset. The radial design of roof trusses in a round home, radiating from a center point like spokes on a bicycle wheel, NISI5 adds considerable structural strength, while the round shape reduces wind pressure. A properly designed roof on an O-shape home is one of its most underappreciated features. The O-shape affordable home is not a novelty and it is not a fantasy. It is a building typology with real I5 documented advantages in material efficiency, energy performance, and structural resilience. It comes with real challenges too, including a construction premium on custom builds, a steep learning curve for local contractors who have never framed a circular structure, I5 furniture and interior design constraints, and permitting complexity in some jurisdictions. The path to building one affordably in 2026 runs through prefabricated and panelized systems, intelligent interior planning, passive energy design, a 5, and an honest conversation with your local building department before you spend $1 on architectural drawings. Okay? If you are someone who values long-term savings over short-term cost, who wants a home that can withstand extreme weather, and who is drawn to a design that genuinely stands apart from every other house on the street, the O-shape is worth serious consideration. Do your homework. Find a builder who has done it before, and run the full lifetime cost comparison, not just the day one price tag. If this video gave you a clearer picture of what the O-shape home actually involves, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up. 5, it genuinely helps this channel reach people who are trying to make informed decisions about building. 5, if you have a question about a specific aspect of the O-shape design, drop it in the comments below and I will do my best to answer it. And if you want to see more content breaking down the real costs and design logic behind alternative home shapes, subscribe and stick around, because we have a lot more coming. See you in the next one.